Today we cleaned out all of the flashlights and lanterns in our camping closet, and boy are we glad that we went solar. You'll want to stick around. Oh, the stuff that we found in our camping closet when we were looking at lights and flashlights. Let me show you an example. This is the first lantern that we dug out of the old camping closet, and it actually belonged to my father-in-law. A lot of dust still on there. The Coleman lantern that required white gas, so that meant you had to take the gas with you. This is missing the glass that protected the flame, and it's also missing the mantle, which is like a little cloth sack here that lit up. But if by chance that got touched or the lantern got bumped, then that would break, and then you're back into doing some repairs. So for the time, this was a great quality product, and that's passed. Then we went to the Coleman lantern that is battery, and this is very heavy and requires a lot of batteries. It was great for the time, so we used that for a while and thought maybe we can go a little bit lighter. So we went to a GE product, had a single light there in the bottom, and did pretty well, and we thought we're going to go a little bit lighter. So we found another GE product that has a different kind of a bulb, and this is a great product too, but the problem with all of these are batteries. Lots and lots of batteries, and you don't know if you're on an extended trip if your batteries are going to last, if you got to take additional ones. So we are so happy that we went solar and we found Goal Zero. This is the product that I use most of the time with Goal Zero. It's a 3-panel solar panel that feeds a battery, and you can run anything off of that battery. This is my favorite solar panel to use because I can daisy chain these together, and it has the bigger battery. This is the Sherpa 100 from Goal Zero. And generally I put it a little lower on the tent, and of course we're going to be face the sun. We're in the shade right here a little bit. But between this, which I can run my laptop on, or I can run a phone or multiple things on, lots of lights, this is going to take care of everything that you need for an extended period of time. So if you're going lighter weight, or if you're backpacking, you may consider a panel like this, a 2-panel, or my favorite one when I'm backpacking is this Goal Zero Elite, and has a couple of small panels. It's got a smaller battery, but it'll run my phone. I just attach that to the back of my backpack. I hike with that all day long, and then when I'm there in the evening and I need a light or I need to check my phone, then this is the panel that I love the most. Goal Zero also produces some small batteries that you can use to recharge your phone, but the favorite thing that I have when I'm not backpacking, because I'm not going to carry this big of a battery with me, this is the Sherpa 50, but the thing that I like is it's got this little stick light, which is really cool. Just plugs into the USB, and that lights up my tent, everything that I need before I'm going to bed. So, you know, I can use flashlights, I can use different things in my tent, but this is the thing that I like the most, and I can actually take a book and I read by that light, which is terrific. One final thing that I wanted to share with you is from a company called Barebones, and they have a lot of really high quality camping, cooking equipment that you'll really want to check out. But this is one of their rechargeable flashlights. It pops up, you can plug this in, plug the USB into your battery, and it's a terrific light. So something that you'll really enjoy. Check out Barebones and all the great things that they have. So bottom line for us is we can leave batteries at home. We can use our solar panels and get as much power from the sun as we need, and we can enjoy ourselves without all of the hassle. We hope that this has been informative for you, and we hope that you'll join us again at OSME TV.